Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the community of tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a game-changing gadget that will revolutionize the way you listen to music in your car. Introducing the wireless Bluetooth mini car alarm for speaker. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly connect your phone to your car's audio system without the hassle of cords and cables. With this mini car alarm, that dream becomes a reality. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite playlist or taking an important phone call, this device provides crystal clear sound and hands-free convenience. The sleek and compact design of this Bluetooth car alarm makes it the perfect addition to any vehicle. It's easy to install and even easier to use. Once connected, you'll never want to go back to the old days of fumbling with wires and adapters. But the benefits don't stop there. This car alarm is equipped with advanced features to ensure your safety and security on the road. With a built-in anti-theft function, you can leave your car without worrying about potential break-ins. It also has a long-lasting battery life, so you can enjoy uninterrupted music and calls on even the longest road trips. So why should you invest in the wireless Bluetooth mini car alarm for speaker? It's simple, because it will enhance your driving experience in ways you never thought possible. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to seamless, high-quality audio in your car. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your car audio system with this innovative device. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the wireless Bluetooth mini car alarm for speaker today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.